Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're a Samsung user with an American Express card, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to add your Amex card to Samsung Pay, so you can make secure and speedy payments right from your phone. This is super handy for everyday shopping, whether you're tapping at a store or paying online. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have what you need. You'll require a compatible Samsung device, like a Galaxy phone or watch, with the Samsung Pay app installed. Also, ensure your American Express card is eligible. Most are, but it's always good to double-check on the Amex website. Oh, and don't forget to have your card details handy, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Okay, let's get started. Open the Samsung Pay app on your device. If you haven't set it up yet, you'll need to sign in with your Samsung account or create one. It's quick and free. Once you're in, tap on the Cards or Add Card section, usually found on the main screen. Now, select Add a new card and choose Credit or Debit Card as the type. Next, carefully enter your American Express card information. Type in the card number, expiration date, and security code. Samsung Pay might ask for additional details like your name or billing address, so fill those out accurately. After that, hit Next and follow the on-screen prompts to verify your card. This often involves receiving a one-time code via text or email from Amex. Just enter it to confirm. Once verified, your card should appear in your Samsung Pay wallet. You can set it as your default payment method if you want. That's it, you're all set to use your Amex card for contactless payments. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like an error message, make sure your app is updated and your device has NFC enabled. Also, some cards might need manual activation through the Amex app. There you have it, folks, a straightforward guide to adding your American Express card to Samsung Pay. This will make your mobile payments even more convenient. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.